Okay, so we're hard at it this morning. Picking corn here again. We got a problem with the radio, so we're going to be switching that out. But it still works. You just don't know what your presets are. Kind of gotta just listen to what you're. I guess it's no different than the one in my off-road truck for not working. That LED display don't work, but it's all right. It is what it is. Some real short corn, man. Not too sure what kind of corn that is. Holy cow! Truck's already up there loaded, and I'm loaded, just waiting on another empty truck to show up. So it's gonna be a fun day, productive day I should say. Corn's awful short, isn't it, Pete?
Yep, that's a good thing this year, Travis, or it'll all be flat on the ground.
Right, yeah. Guess it's better to have short corn than tall standing corn.
Well, it worked out this year that it's in our favor.
Right, probably not as much corn being shelled as versus the taller stalks.
Travis, you see that driveway in front of you? You can drive back that driveway. Just watch, there's a ditch there. Just stay on the ditch, or on the driveway.
Okay, there's no ditch on my side here when I go to cross the driveway, is there?
Phone's ringing.
Yeehaw! Bounce across this frozen ground, but oh well. He's probably going to pick a little more than we're both going to sit and wait for another truck is what I'm guessing.
Stay there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these stock mics at all. I think I might be swapping it out for a Superstar, one of them mics. So you just barely see he's getting full. There, I can almost see it on the top of the hopper. Not much crap coming out of the back, because the corn's awful short. Which, just like you said, it was a good thing this year. Probably because all the rain we had. Yep, we're both full, so now we sit. The semi's full, so we just sit and wait.
green card up here.
Right behind you.
Come over in this area, Travis. Don't go up by the oil well there. It's pretty wet there. Let your dad get turned around.
Kind of follow right behind you.
Yeah, just pull up here where I'm at. Stop.
Okay. I ain't a fan of filling this truck. Primarily because of how tall the daggone box is. Oh, crap, I hate filling this thing. Let's see how close you gotta get to it, but that's why I said. Oh no, am I making that mess? No, I think that was from the semi that sat there, but oh well, it have to probably come top it off or something when it gets done. Or the truck's about full. I love running grain cart. Just love it. Wrong one. Another load and this truck will be done and go up to a semi then. Places are only staying open until lunchtime, so that means we're gonna be shut down after lunch unless we can come up with another plan. At least it ain't snowing. Getting a little snotty right here, it looks like, but that's why we got four-wheel drive and got the duals on. Duals help make it pull nicer. Oh yeah, we're making it. Just about had a catastrophe. Oh, good grief. That's why I really don't like filling this box. See, the paint's rubbed off a little bit. One thing I've learned is that, like, if you can't see back there real good, I just look in the mirror here, and I'm able to see.
Stay open so we can get done.
Able to see what I'm doing better.
Well, we might get done. I might have to pull 2 trucks over this. Yeah, no, I think they'll stay open.
Did Evan tell you about 20, about that tire coming off?
Yeah, we're gonna change it Monday morning.
Okay.
What happened? Well, guess who drove the truck last? Dale? Yeah. Got a flat tire.
Okay.
So does the little service truck. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Alright, so I think that's long enough video. And you guys enjoy. Comment, rate, subscribe.